this is the number one reason why you're not going to make money online. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire-ass video. Now, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. and I'm a six-figure digital marketer currently here in Malaysia. Peep the views real quick. Actually, I'll take you guys outside, but so currently here in my condo, and I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit of why you're not going to make money online. Peep the views. There's the sea view, then there's the mountains in the back, camera shooting some content earlier. But guys, not too long ago, those of you watching this video, I used to watch content, I used to consume content like this all the freaking time. And one of the main reasons that I was just wondering, like, why I wasn't getting results, right? Now, there's actually two reasons, right? There's two reasons why you're not going to get results online. And I know I said number one. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a bonus after this. But the first reason is this, guys. When I first wanted this, right, I was so freaking done with corporate slavery and working a 9-to-5 that I didn't give a fuck what it took. It could literally take me 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, 5 years. I did not care. I knew, and I made a decision. I made a decision that I would do whatever it takes to make money online. And not just make money online, but make the type of money to where I don't have to work a job anymore. Like, not just a part-time income, but like life-changing income. And once I made that decision, right, basically what I had was called a burning desire. And the thing is that people say they have a burning desire, and I get messages every single day. I get hundreds of messages of people saying, I will do whatever it takes. What do I gotta do? Tell me where to start. I will do whatever it takes. And then I'll tell somebody to do something, and I'll give them my advice, and they're like, well, how about this? How about if I go this way? Or they'll be like, ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. And at the end of the day, guys, you have to have a fucking burning desire. As a marketer, I'm gonna go ahead and be very transparent, very authentic with you guys. And I was just speaking with another six-figure marketer yesterday, and we were just talking, right? And basically what we were talking about is how marketers, right, somebody like myself, so there's a lot of manipulation to where people sell you based off of your wants and your dreams and your desires, and they don't tell you the cold hard truth about this fucking industry. The cold hard truth is that this shit is hard. And you're gonna see, like, I've gotten some backlash a little bit about some of my last videos, and I don't care, right? The reason why is because my logic is I create clickbait videos and I create really good content to where I get people to click on it, so I give people really good content, right? But with that being said, like, there's a lot of stuff where people say make money fast, make money easy. This is gonna be so easy, so simple. This is the easiest. That's all fucking bullshit, guys. This is so fucking hard, and it was so hard when I first started. It literally took me 12 months to finally get results online to where I could walk away from my job. I actually I blew through $40,000 in my bank account. I have $40,000. I ran a direct sales company. I blew through that shit, and what happened was I had to get another job, right? And people don't tell you guys about the backstories and the pain, but what happens is when you have a burning fucking desire, that stuff doesn't matter. When I got another job, when everybody else was making fun of me, and people at my job was like, oh, what are you doing? Like, oh, you're gonna make money online and all that stuff. I was like, yeah, you're fucking right. I'm so hungry, and I don't care what you think. I'm gonna keep on creating YouTube videos. I'm gonna keep on learning about email marketing, driving traffic, and all this extra stuff, all this nerdy stuff, right? That now allows me to literally have these views, travel the world, and live my life by design. Wake up whenever I want, not answering to a boss. I'm my own fucking boss. I have people, I have a team that I'm building, right? And the thing is, your pain of your current situation, until your pain is stronger than your fear of failure, you will not succeed. And that's where a burning desire comes in. You literally have to be willing to fail. You have to be willing to fail over and over and over again, but not just failing and over and over again. You have to be willing to pick yourself back up, right? And when you pick yourself back up, right, you gotta be willing to go after it again. And that's fucking insane. That's crazy, right? when you could easily take the easy route, right? Guys, I could easily get a 6-figure job because of my sales skills. I can get a 6-figure job, but I don't like working for people, right? Period, right? So people would call me crazy, and people did call me crazy when I first chased this dream. They're like, bro, you walked away from an $80,000 a year job to do this, to blow through your savings and to get another job? I told you it wasn't gonna work, right? And I had a burning freaking desire, and now these people who used to criticize me, they used to say, bro, you inspire me, right? I don't want to work in a job anymore. How do I do this? And the same people that I was like, yo, I could teach you, like, build with me now, we'll both level up together, are the same people that are like, oh, how do I get started? And then I just say, check this out, read this book or something. I kind of blow them off because they didn't believe in me when I first started. And chances are people aren't believing in you right now. You have these big goals, these big aspirations, right? You want to live this lifestyle. You want to have high-rise condos and be able to work from your laptop. Like, guys, that's how I make my money right there. What a view, right? Could you imagine this being your view while you're working on your laptop, just being in the bed, no alarm clock, right? So you have to have that burning desire. Number 2, guys, is a mentor. There's so much fucking misinformation out there. There's so much misinformation out there, right? To where there's these people who are teaching the wrong stuff, right? When I first started, the game changer was when I met one of my first digital mentors, right? I met him in person, and he really didn't teach me anything, but I was hanging around him and I was seeing what he was actually doing. I was like, what the fuck? I thought when I first started, I was doing affiliate marketing. I started posting a lot of Facebook stuff, and I was doing all that stuff, and I wasn't making money, right? And what I noticed, he was literally working like 1 to 2 hours per day, and I was like, how the fuck? And he was doing Facebook ads, and he was setting up sales funnels, right? And I would have never known that if I didn't put myself in a situation to be around that type of person. Number 2, if you meet those type of people digitally, right? Find somebody who's giving you real, raw information that's gonna help you get to your ending goals, right? And follow that person. Invest into their courses, right? Me personally, I found one mentor, Russell Brunson, and I buy all his courses, right? Funnel hacks, perfect webinar. I don't care. I'll invest into myself because I'm gonna get it back because I found my one mentor. Everybody has all these freaking mentors. Cut them the freak off. Find somebody to follow who's actually giving you real. They have the lifestyle that you want. They're making the income that you want, and they are your style, right? They're your swag. Follow that person. Take in their content and freaking take action, guys. Last step, take action. You can keep on thinking. You can keep on saying, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. You can keep on saying, I'm going to start driving traffic. I'm going to start doing Facebook ads. I'm going to start building my brand. Guys, take fucking action. So I said 1, but it was actually, I ended up giving you guys 3 tips. Is number 1 is having a burning desire to succeed. And no matter what, having that until mentality. I will do this and I'll fail for it until I succeed, whether it's 10 years, 20 years, 5 years, 3 years, 1 year, whatever, right? Number 2 is finding a freaking mentor. And number 3 is taking action, right? And I'm not here to pitch you. I'm not here to sell you anything. This is just straight value. And this is going to be the video that gets the least amount of views because I'm not having this clickbaity thing. I'm actually giving you real value, but I don't give a fuck, right? I want to give you guys value. And these are the real things that are going to help you guys get to the next level within your business, right? So share this with somebody. Join the family by hitting that subscribers button. Hit that notifications bell. And at 25,000 subscribers, we're going to be holding our first in-person event. Most likely my home city in Miami, right? Currently in Malaysia right now. Is my 8th country this year, but we're probably going to be going to Miami. Can't wait to meet you guys. I have 26,000 followers on Instagram. I have almost 13,000 on YouTube. So I have a large following. I want to get a couple of you guys, the people are actually serious, in the room together so you guys can network with each other. Be a part of the family, get some other influencers in the building, help you guys level up within your life so that you guys can live this lifestyle. Because guys, it's lonely at the top, but it doesn't have to be. I want to bring you guys up here with me, right? So with that being said, I can't wait. Help me get to 25,000 so we can go ahead and hold that event. Can't wait to meet you in person. Appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking